HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is HTML? Answer. 1. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. 2. HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. 3. HTML describes the structure of web pages. 4. HTML consists of a series of elements. 5. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. 6. HTML elements label pieces of content such as, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. What is an HTML element? Answer. An HTML element is defined by start tag, some content and end tag. Example. Start tag element content end tag this is a heading this is a paragraph none important note. Some HTML elements have no content, live the element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag.